Hello Earthlings, good evening, good morning, good noon, wherever you are. Here we are again, your Doodle Goes to US Market Blogger without viewers and without subscribers. Welcome back, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, please like and hit the bell button, subscribe. So again, just a kind reminder, do your own research. The stock we are reviewing is high volatility. And bear with me also with my English. I'm not a good English speaker, you know. So let's start with PSFE. PSFE Limited of New York Stock Exchange. So from yesterday's closing, it reached to 11.45 with news yesterday. So crypto. So PSFE is having a free float of how much? 27 million. So 27 million, a little bit higher. Let's see, 27 million. So now, what we gonna expect with PSFE? So we have a resistant here. So there is also a sell order block. So this might go here and it might be pulled back. Then it will liquidate here and it might pull back again before going up. So there is also a support here in this top at $9. So the thing that I like for this PSFE, there is a gap in this area. There is a gap. So there is a possibility that he will fill in this gap, or there is also a lot of supply at the top. So there is a lot of supply, then it might hit also to the top if there is a good chance, you know. So but when this will happen, that is the thing that we could not predict. We don't know. This is just our own thoughts. So just a kind reminder, don't consider this to buy and sell the stock. So do your own diligence also, or due diligence, or do your own research. So this is our how we read the price action of PSFE. So let us check if there is any price target from TradingView. So there is 8.59. So it is somewhere here. So we are touching to near to the gap that we have, the middle 9.5. So just say 9 is our target price for PSFE. So let us check in the 30 minutes time frame. So here there is a slight resistance somewhere here at 7.41. This PSFE should hold this line. If not, this it should hold this to this line, 7.24. If not, it will. There is also a possibility it will go back to this price. So just be careful for the pump and dump. So that is PSFE. Next, we will go to BBBY. BBBY is having a lot of sell order block here in this area. We have this sell order block, and we have also at the 7. So he need to break first this area. See, there is a resistance already. He is trying to push somewhere here, but there are seller in this area. Let us check. See, there is a red. There is a sell order block. So there is a possibility this will hold. It will make then it will go up like that. So we'll see and watch if he will break this $5 today or this week. So there, our target price maybe, let us see, $6 for this for this BBBY, bid bat and beyond. So from New York Stock Exchange. So free float, we have not checked the free float, is 71 million. So mostly from New York Stock Exchange is having a big, huge free float, unlike with Nasdaq. So target price is 9. See, we are just, so the target price is 9, but we're just focus first to the $6, and we will see if it will break. So 9, because there are a lot of sell order block in this area. See, you have also there. So that will be liquidated soon. When? We don't know exact. Just try to hold for this one, for the stocks. Again, let's have MRLN. MRLN is from Nasdaq. So MRLN from Nasdaq is, there is new news, no news. So it up with 28% from yesterday's price, and we are seeing here sell order block in this area. So that would be our target price also for MRLN. $14. So let us check the financial free float. We don't have, see, if for Nasdaq normally very small free float. So let us check if any target price. No target price. So technical analysis, technical sell, I mean. So we have 8, 9, we have 10. So we have 10. How much? What else for 1 month? We have 10 only. So we have also, so our highs is 10. So that means that if he will break the $10 here, so there is a possibility we will liquidate again this for this 14. So it's a bullish, even in the 30 minutes, this is a bullish. So there is a sell order. It might pull back, hold, and maybe a consolidation before going to $10. There is no, there is an imbalance in this area. So still we have this around 9.83. So resistant after this 8.5 resistant, or so once it will be break, there is also an imbalance in this area. All sell, no too much buyers in this area. So that is the imbalance. So this is the imbalance somewhere here, meaning it is not yet being liquidated. So there is an imbalance. Price has not yet reached to this area. So there is a possibility it will pass to this $9 for MRLN. MRLN is aerospace and defense technology. So this is a good stock also. So that is for MRLN. I think this is a newly. So hopefully he will liquidate these $14, our target for MRLN. Next is BBGI. So BBGI, we have how many? It ups from here, yesterday's closing to 63. Revenue fell 21% and improvement drop. So there is a revenue rose report. So that's why he pump up But be careful for this stock with very low free float. This is those stocks, or these stocks are very high volatility. So we have, see this free float is 636,000. So that is why it will pump up and dump. So careful for that. So but we have here, we have some supply required to be liquidated. So there is, let us check in 1 hour time frame. So there is, we need to break this one. It will be like that. So there is a possibility for this BBGI. So there is a possibility of liquidating this $8. So we'll just focus first to the $8. Then we'll see after $8 if this one will make another break this. There is also another resistance at 11 and this 25. So for now, we'll just focus first to the $8. This will be our price target for BBGI. So there we go. We have our 4 stock for today. So we have BBGI is up of 66% with 36 million. So this free float 636,000 is very fast to sell, and with very, so this the outstanding free float very small, so that's why there is a volatility and it will be pump and it might be dump also for BBGI. So thank you very much for watching. This is all for tonight and see you soon tomorrow. Baboos!